on. This is gonna be our first rotary. It is a 2004 manual RX-8. Suicide doors. We're letting these kids go for a test drive. It's a little rough. We got this thing for 4K. I think that's like around 3,300 USD, and it is completely bone stock. The previous owner has done nothing with it. This thing is gonna be a fun project. You guys wanna see what we're installing on this today? Just needs a little more low. That's where the coilovers will come in handy. So much, okay? It's actually getting clearer, but I'm getting super lightheaded.
Smoke weed every day, so
Yeah. Good job, brother. Oh, my eyes. That works. Slick, Eddie. Beautiful.
and this little baby filter.
That's nothing.
We're down another half inch.
Oh, that was easy.
So we got the chassis mount, which is going to be replacing the rear crash bar on the RX-8. And you got the rods. Eddie working on the headlights, trying to get them super clear again. So fresh. Said it was gonna snow for the next 2 days, like 10-20 centimeters, but I'm scared. Oh my god. Bro. They ain't lying. This is nice drifting weather. Cheers.
They talking like they don't know a king when they see one. See him in person, he take it back like a refund. Ballin' with my brothers, all my niggas playin' D1. Daily checkin' chicken, he gon' spin it watchin' reruns. Niggas say they real, but they clones of me. How my cousin in the pen with more phones than me. I got daily correspondence, we tapping in with the Goonies. Tatted tagging my body, they tagging me like they knew me. They actually living goofy, I'm blunted tagging the Gucci. Flicking flexing the muscle like penitentiary Gucci. Been addicted to Stussy and blunts hitting like roofies. I ain't tripping on you cause I've been tripping on Lucy. I'm lucid dreaming and scheming, I'm manifesting a movie. Manuscript in a million, I thought that you niggas knew me. Focusing on the Fetty, the longevity lifestyle. The future me, what I'm usually doing right now. Smoking with my shawty, we plotting another 100 grand. Hear them talk a lot, but they knowin' who got the upper hand.
Dude, I'm so excited to throw this
Ride
on.
about my sister, I'm dying about my brother, man.
Appreciate it, Josh. Sheesh.
Leaning out the window, we got him doing the running man.
It's tight.
Smoking with my shawty.
Should be decent.
I know your body, I know your heart. Your eyes told me from the start, but then you fall back.
Ooh, amazing. Lions Kit sticker. What's sick is they actually give you the hardware and the nut certs that you're supposed to use with this kit. So another decal and a sweet little Rocketmania wooden keychain. I was wondering what this is for. Oh, I think these go on the door. Look in the back. The official Lions Kit Signia. So you'll notice there's this little gap right here. That's because this is where the side markers are located on the Series 2. And also it looks like we're gonna have to do a lot of cutting to make this even fit proper.
Chill, show off.
One door goes up, this one goes this way, that thing goes down. I fucked up the split. Oh no. Alright, so we got the Lions Kit. All of the pieces are in the car. For the time being, we're gonna mock it up again.
I'm tongue-tied, twisted around your finger like a piece of string. I'm winded, chasing after your ghost is real exhausting.
We got the rear fender pieces and rear door piece installed-ish. Left a little bit of space from the edge of the door just because this top part was hitting it, but let's see. Ooh, okay, that's close. I know that one. So today, we're officially going to be cutting into the body. finally complete. What an adventure. If you compare it to our concept, which we envisioned last year, it's insanely close, minus the front bumper, but yeah. For what it's worth, we did good, man. I'm actually really proud of this build and where we brought it to from what it was. But yeah, I'm gonna just end this video, guys. Appreciate you for watching. As always, head over to Kingsmustrise website, go grab some merch, go grab your cake, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.